Hi guys, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. We're going to be creating this cute card here. I think it is so fun and festive, and this is what the inside looks like. It's a flip up card. Very quick and simple, easy layout. It's easy to switch out the designer series paper with anything that you choose. So we're going to get started. We are using the Kiddin Around Stamp Set. We're going to be using It's Your Birthday. You could always use You Are Amazing as well on this. And then we're going to be using the perennial postage dies. We're going to be using the second to the smallest one on this one. We got our baker's twine. We're going to be using some rhinestone basic jewels, and our ink today is going to be Berry Burst. So I'm going to move that off to the side. I got everything cut. I did 2 of these just in case I messed up on doing my stamping of my Berry Burst. Now we're just going to come in and do the layering, which is pretty quick with this card. So I'm going to go ahead and glue. We're going to take our designer series paper, the biggest piece. This is part of the Kiddin Around designer series paper. Next, we're going to take and put this on the front of our card base. This is just using our thick white. All right, now we're going to take this piece and glue it onto its mat. Okay, so now I'm going to take my baker's twine. Now I like to put them on rolls like this, and as you can tell, I'm almost out of white, but it comes in a pack of 5 right here, the baker's twine essential pack. I take them off these and put them on here. It's easier for me when I do my storage of where I put them. So I'm going to grab a piece of tear and tape. And I'm just going to put it on the back here. You could use your snail tape. You can use your stamp and seal adhesive, whatever you have, so that it sticks to the back and doesn't move on you. Okay. Then we're just going to wrap this around 3 times. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some dimensionals on the back of this. I know, shocker. Okay, now we're ready to layer this right on top, just kind of placing it where it looks even up top, even at the bottom, putting it more off to the left side of the image. For this, we're going to put directly over the top of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put dimensionals on this side, just a couple of them, then we're going to put glue on that side. Okay, now what I did ahead of time is I made a triple bow. And we're going to take a glue dot and glue that on. Okay, we have that. And then we're just going to come in with some rhinestone basic jewels. Give it a little sparkle. Okay, and there we have that one. Here's the one we did together. Here's the one I did ahead of time. Probably trim these up just a tiny bit. If you really liked this video, I hope you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. And then plus also, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly inspiration, please make sure that you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to the subscription in the description below. Thank you so much. Bye.